What is P2P trading in cryptocurrency or peer-to-peer cryptocurrency trading? That is the purpose of this video. In this video, you understand what peer-to-peer is and the risks involved in peer-to-peer. My name is Fabian Wandi, but everyone calls me the Crypto Lord. I decrypt crypto and make it so simple that even a child of 5 can understand what cryptocurrency and all the concepts in the cryptocurrency are. And also, if this interests you, can you give me that one subscription and click the bell for notifications so that you should not miss on any of our videos. I have been certified in so many domains, but I've never been certified as a financial advisor. So education and entertainment is the purpose of this video. P2P trading means you are trading directly with somebody. You might know that person or you might not know that person. Let me explain to you how this works, especially in most African countries. I myself, I can sit here and I say, okay, I need Bitcoin. And there is somebody who has Bitcoin. And I say, okay, for $1 I'm buying from you, I'll pay you 600 francs per dollar. And the person sends me this Bitcoin and I pay him in our normal currency, maybe through mobile money. That is or bank transfer. That is P2P. I may say, okay, $1 is 600 francs. How many dollars do you have? You have $1,000. Send me that $1,000 times 600 per dollar. That means the $1,000, I'll pay that person 600,000 francs for transferring me the coins and I pay him. It's just trading. I'm trading directly with somebody. That is P2P. There is another thing in this P2P called brokering. You can be a broker in this P2P. That means you know somebody selling, you know somebody buying. You know, trading is just a concept of a buyer buying something from a seller. So now you know the seller, you know the buyer, but you do not have this cryptocurrency, maybe Bitcoin. You can go tell the seller, okay, I am buying Bitcoin. You go tell the buyer, I am selling Bitcoin. You go and negotiate with the seller that, okay, I'll buy $1 for 600 francs. You go to the buyer and tell the buyer, I'll sell $1 for 700 francs, just for your example. And you go to the buyer, the seller has $1,000. You take the wallet of the buyer and you send to the seller, since there is no name on it. He sends the crypto to the buyer and the buyer sees the crypto, $1,000. The buyer pays you, the broker, the middleman. You take now for each dollar 700 francs, which the $1,000 is 700,000. You pay to the seller 600 per dollar. You pay 600 per dollar, which is 600,000 francs. You make 100,000 francs profit. That is how peer-to-peer mostly works. If you are trading directly with somebody, but there is risk involved in this, heavy risk. You can send crypto to somebody and the person never pays you. Now, trade peer-to-peer with only somebody you trust. Because this transaction is not traceable. Then there is no name on the wallet address. And if you make a mistake and you send to another person, I've made that mistake, and you send to another person, you will never receive that money again. So when you are trading with somebody, make sure that you are sure that if you send your crypto, you will receive your payment. That is the risk involved in peer-to-peer. There are so many people that have been scammed in this. Somebody comes and he says, I am buying Bitcoin. I am buying Bitcoin. You ask the rate, he tells the rate. He sends you a wallet, you send Bitcoin, he blocks you, and you never receive your payment. That's how people lose money. Or somebody will come and say, okay, I have $1,000. Pay me first and I'll send it to you. You send the mobile money, bam, nothing ever happens. That is the scam involved in the peer-to-peer. Now, platforms like Binance have come to mitigate this. There is a portion on Binance where there are people buying. You come and you create an account as a buyer, like you are a buyer in crypto, and this is peer-to-peer trading. When you go to peer-to-peer trading, you can do it. You will go now and you see somebody, you will put his rate. That is the rate I am buying. This is the rate I am selling. So if you have Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency, you can go and sell to that person, and the person pays you in your local currency or bank transfer. So when you do this payment, the money goes into the account of that person. Now, Binance now act like a third party to monitor if actually the person has paid you. When the person pay you, he come and click paid. You will receive the money in it. So when you send the money, you go and click, I have sent the money, or I have sent the coins. I'm waiting for my payment. So if after some time, Binance give it 14 minutes, if after that time you have not received your payment, you can go and file a complaint. Binance now start doing what we call verification, if actually it is true. And now they can penalize the person, because the person, before he buys, he has an account on Binance, he has money in the account. So Binance will trace out if the transaction was successful or not. That is how peer-to-peer works. You are trading directly with somebody. It is not like you go on an exchange and you are just trading spot. No. Spot, you are trading with somebody you do not know that person. Binance do the linking and all of these things. But with this one, you know the person. And when you go on the Binance, you can even call that person. You have the number, you can even call that person and talk with that person. That is how peer-to-peer crypto works. Be very careful when doing this. Do this with only people you trust.